Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to make the purple cow smoothie.
The purple cow?
Purple cow.
What is the purple cow?
Well, we're going to put a little grape juice in this because have you ever seen a purple cow? No. There's no such thing.
No, Felix saw a purple cow one time.
Really?
What? In my dream.
In your
my
dream.
I saw a purple cow on a purple farm. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, we're just going to add some ice cream to start off
Oh,
with.
okay.
Do you like frozen yogurt?
Yeah, frozen yogurt is good. It's like ice cream.
It is, and it's a really good healthy option.
Yeah.
So again, I'm going to use a blender, which is a really safe kitchen appliance for kids.
Right. And that's how you mix it.
I do. It has a little blade in the bottom that you don't need to touch. It's right down there.
Oh, because it's sharp, right?
It is, and it swishes it all around.
Yeah, okay.
This is really easy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're good at that. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So what makes the purple cow purple?
Well, I use this. It's grape juice concentrate.
Grape juice is purple.
Yeah.
That's right.
It is.
Felix forgot. Yeah. Okay.
And you pour it in there.
Okay.
Gives it a really pretty purple color because besides green, my favorite color really is probably purple.
Oh, your favorite color is purple.
Yeah, I like green, but I really like purple.
Yeah. I like green a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, my eyes are green.
Oh,
That's good.
Your eyes are very pretty, Heather.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The next thing we're going to add is the milk.
Okay.
You can use skim milk or, you could even use soy milk. It's up to you.
Yeah.
Some people can't drink milk.
Yeah. Some of my friends drink almond milk. Can you use that?
Oh, that would be really good.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to use just a little bit of fresh lemon juice. It gives it just a little bit of tang.
Did you get that from a
Perfect.
real lemon?
It's a real lemon. Smell it. That's probably my favorite smell.
That is sour.
It is sour, but it smells so good.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to squeeze a little bit in the top.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to make a big noise again.
Oh, the blender. Okay. I think I'm okay. I think I'm not that scared this time. So
good.
Just push it. Okay.
We'll do it real quick.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I'm not that scared no more.
Yeah, I can hardly hear you.
Sorry.
And that's it.
The blender
and
was
look,
loud. I couldn't
it is purple.
It is the purple cow.
It is the purple cow.
Yeah.
I'm going to pour some in here for you.
Okay. Do we get to try it, Heather?
You can try it.
Yeah.
Be really careful, though.
Okay.
I don't have a straw.
Oh, okay. It's hard for Felix to drink without the straw. Okay.
What do you think?
Purpley. That was good.
It's perfect. Just right.
Yeah.
And it was super simple.
Super simple.